Right, I need to talk about color schema a bit more because I feel that it has helped a lot of my students a great deal when it comes to picking colors. Because sometimes what students do is just pick two colors that just don't work together at all. So for example, let's just say I wanted a color other than black to work with my brown. For the sake of not having black, students will simply go, okay, yes, let's choose this green. We go, done, and then they'll just use that same color for the rest of it. You can actually color pick. That's about the right color, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And let me just do the same for all the other layers. A quick way of just having that color on lots of different layers, just in case you have done something similar to what I've done, but you know, you might have 20 layers for 20 different letters, is you can just right click and go to blending options, and you can just do like a color overlay, and then you select the color that you want. Let's just say I want this D, okay, and then it will put that color over that particular letter. So what you can simply do is right click, copy layer style, and then you can just put it over lots of things, paste layer style. So it makes everything, well, it should make everything green. I don't know why that hasn't worked for them. Let's just pretend they're green. Let's just leave it for now. You can always just choose color beforehand. I think it's the stroke actually. That's what it is. It's the stroke that needs to change color. Let's have a go. Yeah, it's the stroke. Okay, so I'll just do the same for that very, very quickly. Pick the color, change it there. So that's how you would change the color of a line, the stroke and the fill, if you've already drawn it. There we go. Okay. So let's just say, as an example, this is something that someone's decided, and it doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you, but this color came from just randomly choosing a green. It might be better if you pick a color from the color schema palette. So this color here has already been put into the website, and just as a reminder of how to get it, you go to your color picker and then you pick the color, or you just click the color, and then you've got this hex code that appears with the one with the hash next to it. You copy that, and then you'd simply paste it into this bit here, okay, and then you just click set hex, and then it just comes up with these different colors. Okay, so there's another green that it is saying would work well with this color, and there's a nice plum color, and there's a nice blue. So you can actually take this code and put it into Photoshop. So just to show you very quickly again, the shortcut of actually changing all the text to the same color relatively quickly. I'm just going to right click on the H, go to blending options, and I'll just go to color overlay, and then I'm just going to change that color to be the color of whatever shade I want to go for. Okay, and then I right click that and copy layer style, and then I'll select all the text layers, including dogs, including, oops, what's it done? Let's do that again. So apply it to these two, to that, to that, to that, and then right click and paste layer style, so it does it there. And if you want, you know, you can accentuate any of the text bits by doing a stroke. That normally works quite well. So like add a stroke by going to blending options, and we just reduce the size of the stroke, just makes it stand out a bit more. So, and then you can do the same thing, copy layer style, and then apply it to everything above it. At this point, can I just stress the importance of having your layers named well and in order, like this. So I've just copied the layer style, I'm going to paste it, there you go. So that looks well, that works well, but I just felt that I had to point out the use of this or tools like this. There's many other websites out there that help you with choosing colors, but this is one of them, and this is the one that my students use, and they're quite happy with it. You can lighten the scheme So if you want to go for like a lighter choice of colors, you can darken the scheme. So yeah, have a play with that and see whether that works for you. And remember, you've got to copy and paste this code into the color picker area in Photoshop. Okay.